Yellow color.
Pick up your crayons, it's time to play. Pinkfong is here, hip hip hooray! We'll color him pink and maybe some blue. Let's make him bright, just me and you. Color, color Pinkfong today.
Vivid pink color.
Make him happy in every way. Red, green, yellow too. So many colors, what will we do? Draw the stars, the sky so high. Add a rainbow up in the sky. Pinkfong's world is so much fun. Color together, everyone. Color, color Pinkfong today. Make him happy in every way. Purple, orange, what a sight. Let's make Pinkfong super bright. With every color we can dream. Pinkfong's adventures are supreme. Add some glitter, make it glow. Our colorful world will grow and grow.
Skin color.
Let's color Pinkfong, come join the crew. There's so much magic we can do. Grab your crayons, don't delay. Let's color Pinkfong every day. In the world of kids, there's a special name. Pinkfong, the cheerful red fox in the game. Bringing songs and dances.
Brown color.
Making kids happy, that's what he'll do. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, entertaining us all. With
Red color.
lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide. Making our days brighter side by side. Baby Shark's his famous song, getting kids singing
Forest green
along.
color.
Pinkfong, the creative fox, spreading joy to every box. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, entertaining us all. With lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide. Making our days brighter side by side. Pinkfong's more than just a tune, creating memories for everyone. Kids and adults, hand in hand, enjoying this happy land. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, entertaining us all. With lively songs and joyful dances, standing tall. Pinkfong, Pinkfong, our friendly guide.
Acid green color.
Making our days brighter side by side.